Hello everyone, so here is Lyft app, which is a top competitor to Uber. Some people like Uber, some people like Lyft, and if you're in the United States, definitely give a try to this app. So let's just have a quick but full overview of this app and all the features you might want to check out. So this is how it looks like, just like an Uber. So the idea of this app is simple ride sharing. Instead of calling a taxi, you just can search for destination. You can just search like I want to get from this place to the airport, for example, and then you just select different types of cars. There can be Lyft, which is can be 3 people in the car. Lyft XL 5 people in the car. Then there are luxury cars. So you can have that. Then there is also an offer to rental a car. Then there's car seat, city bikes, all of that. So a lot of options, and it also there is an option with public transit. In the bottom left, you can select your default payment. I will talk about that later. So you can select Apple Pay or Google Pay by default. You can also redeem a code here. You can add payment method, or you can add Lyft Cash. And then also you can schedule a future pickup or set a reminder to arrive at your destination on time. So you can do that like this, and then you can just select Lyft. And then there are some guidelines at this moment, and then you just need to continue. And then you can just see where you want to request, add a note to driver, and then confirm the request. So that's basically it. So that's that. That's how you request a ride. But there are a bunch of other features which you want to discover on Lyft. So, for example, there is Lyft Pink, which is a subscription service. If you're a frequent user of the Lyft app, you might consider subscribing to Lyft Pink to unlock perks like 15% of rideshare, free Grubhub Plus membership, exclusive offers, and more. It's $19.99 per year or $19.99 per month or $199 per year. It's like you can save $40 if you select yearly membership. And then you have all these perks: bike rides, scooter rides, free upgrades with Lyft rentals, ride cancellations, priority airport pickups. So that can be a handy feature if you're really using Lyft a lot. But especially if you sign up for this yearly plan, you can just get a lot of these rewards. Even for a monthly plan, you can get like 3 free bike rides, 3 free scooter rides, all of that. But of course, it depends if you're a frequent user of Lyft app or not. If you're using Lyft like one time per month, probably it doesn't make sense. So then, of course, you have notifications. You need to allow notifications when you create an account. You can also refer friends. So, for example, this is my code, and if you refer drivers, you can earn even more, and you can get like free rides. So just share that. So here is your ride history, all personal and business. You can export that. Maybe you need that for a company or for seats or something like that. Then there is payment. So there are multiple options to pay in the Lyft app. You can just add cash with Lyft Cash. It's an interesting feature. So you can enable this like auto refill with Lyft Cash. You can use it with coupons or other promos. Like you can say like once per month I want to auto refill it for $100, or just put $100 on Lyft. I don't know like what's actually the difference between just using Apple or Google Pay or just putting cash into the Lyft app. But for some people it makes sense because it's just an easier way. You don't need to pay with your Face ID every time, or to add another like credit debit card. So you just know there is cash in the Lyft app, and it's just smoother experience. But you need to know one thing, that the Lyft cash is not refundable. So there you have it. You can just add the Lyft cash with any other amount, and then it can be set up to auto refill when it falls below $15. So that can be pretty handy. Just if you're using Lyft a lot, you can just have that, and you don't need to check out constantly with your credit debit card. You just have that cash, and it's just faster, I guess. Then there are all these payment methods. Personal, Apple Pay, you can add payment method. Like online banking, you can add PayPal, credit debit card. Online banking, Lyft uses Trustly, so you can just add all of these different banks, and then just use it from the bank. Select your bank and then just add the account. PayPal, credit or debit card. Then there is also Lyft Pass. Enter the code your organization provided to add your pass. So you can also do that. And then there is payment history. All your payments will appear here if you need some receipts. Gift cards, you can just redeem your gift card. Just enter gift card number, and then you can just redeem it, or you can just buy a gift card. Holidays, congrats, birthday, $100. You can select custom amount, deliver via text message or email, recipient, purchase, and that's that. So you have that. Rewards, so you can get some Delta Sky miles. Earn 4 miles for every $1 you spend on airport rides between December 16 and January 9th. Hilton Honors promo code, so you can play with it as well. You can donate. Then there is help section. There is your profile and account, and especially if you want to delete your account, here is the place where you can do it. So just follow the prompts here, and you can delete your account. You can request a copy of Lyft data, but it is not possible to restore a deleted Lyft account. So if you did a mistake, then you just need to create a new account from the beginning. There are a bunch of issues. Can't request a ride if you decline payment methods. App won't load, so maybe try airplane mode. So you can read all of that information here. Then there are family accounts. So your family can use shared payment method to pay for your Lyft rides. You can also share your ride details as a safety feature. So that can be helpful. ID submission. Sometimes Lyft may ask passengers to submit ID or take photo. So that can be that. It is handy, so to avoid some scammers or stuff like that. So it's good. That's about it. A good thing with Lyft, which I noticed, is that there are also rentals. So the second tab in the bottom is rental. So here you will have all the locations where you can rent a car. So you will see all the location from Sixt. That's like a Lyft partner which provides car rentals. And then you have all these options here to learn, from compact to sedan to SUV and luxury cars. And here are the prices which you can earn here, which you can get. So that's basically it. Yeah, some notifications. Why is there? So that's also super handy. Then there are settings, so that nears your account. You can enable dark mode. You can add home, you can add work, like add home on that map and then never enter it like many times when you're traveling from home. You can set default tip. Yeah, so also nice shortcut if you're driving a lot. Then you can drive with Lyft. And then you will have, this is another like Lyft driver section. So if you want to earn money with Lyft, you can start here. You just enter your city, and then it just has this payment guarantee, and then you can just sign up, Lyft terms of service, and then you can just agree and proceed and become a Lyft driver. So that's, you can also explore that, but there is also a separate Lyft driver app, and the same in Uber, you have a separate Uber driver app. So that's basically it. So it's a quick overview. I think really nice app. Like you can also see your profiles, there are different badges here. Shortcuts, manage all shortcuts, top tripper. So that's that. Hope this quick overview was helpful. Definitely give a try to Lyft app. Sometimes might be a requesting a ride, just checking between Uber and Lyft, which one offers a cheaper ride. See how it goes. So thank you for watching and see you around.